Hi, this is Xiaoxian. Welcome back to my watercolor journal. Now it's the winter 2021 and it has been snowing for 2 days in the city I live in. I guess I'm not going to do any kind of winter trips this year, but that's quite alright. I can create beautiful winter scenes with my watercolors just at home. So just grab a brush and be ready to have a good time with watercolors. It's going to be a small daily practice, and I didn't plan much for what and how I'm going to do with it. I mean, watercolor usually need to be planned or even calculated, but sometimes I just want to paint something in a casual way, or just want to try out some random ideas. If you'd like to have some detailed instructions on watercolor, you can check out some of my other videos or subscribe to my watercolor journal. I'll keep sharing new watercolor videos. So for today, I will say no stress. Painting with watercolor itself is enjoyable enough. Don't care much about the results, just choose the materials you have, use the colors you love, and start doing it with me. This is my favorite part. Just add some different colors and create some textures. At this point, I found out that some colors in the top right corner had been left out. I guess that my hand touched the sky, which was still wet by accident. It was actually very light, so I could have just left it. However, I suddenly thought of the idea like maybe I can change this to a cloud. So I started to lift some colors up with a tissue. Let's see how it turns out finally. I tried to make some shadows in the mountain and paint some forests. Maybe it was too dark. How do you think? Anyway, I have enjoyed it and I can try this again sometime later. So this is the final result for today, a small peaceful winter scene. I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Try it out and make your own. Do it easily and happily. Remember to give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my watercolor journal. I'm Xiaoxian. See you next time.